Yes, Weld cable can be used for power to motor leads. It is a type of electrical cable specifically designed for welding applications, but it is also suitable for other high current applications including power in motors. Weld cable is available in various sizes, which determines its current carrying capacity. The larger the cable size, the higher the current it can handle. The current capacity of weld cable is typically rated based on its ampacity, which is expressed in amps. The ampacity is determined by the cable's cross-sectional area, conductor material, and insulation type. The specific current capacity of weld cable can vary depending on the manufacturer and cable size. Firstly, the American Welding Society, or AWS, provides industry standards and specifications for weld cables, including current capacity tables. Secondly, the National Electrical Code, or NEC, also provides guidance on the current capacity of welding cables. Refer to Article 334. Thirdly, you can obtain specific current capacity data for weld cables from the manufacturer's website, catalogs, or technical support. Consider a 10-gauge weld cable with a 60% duty cycle. According to the AWS 10.1 specification, the ampacity of this cable is approximately 125 amps. This means that the cable can carry up to 125 amps of current for 60% of the time without overheating. When using weld cable for motor leads, ensure that the cable is properly sized for the current draw of the motor.